It's an ordinary morning. Bread is baking, a dog dozes in the sun. And in less than 24 hours, this entire city will be erased from the earth, buried so completely that the world forgets it ever existed for 1,600 years. This is the last day of Pompeii, hour by hour. Dawn. Pompeii wakes like any other day. Around 20,000 people live here. Merchants, bakers, gladiators, and slaves. The forum fills with noise and the smell of fish sauce. Above them stands a green mountain they call Vesuvius. But here's the thing, nobody alive knows it is a volcano. To them, it's just a mountain. They are living at the foot of a bomb, and the fuse is already lit. Just after midday, the mountain answers. With the force of many atomic bombs, Vesuvius tears open the sky. A column of ash and rock punches nearly 20 miles straight up, then blooms into a shape a survivor will later compare to a giant pine tree. And then it begins to rain stone. Pumice falls on Pompeii like gray snow, an inch every single hour. Roofs groan, streets disappear. Some people grab what they can and run for the harbor while they still can. Others bolt their doors and wait it out, clutching their coins and keys, certain the gods will spare them. That one choice, run or hide, will decide who lives. By nightfall, the sky is black. 6 feet of debris smother the city. The sea heaves too violently for any boat to launch. Across the bay, a 17-year-old boy named Pliny watches the mountain glow and writes down everything he sees, the only eyewitness account that survives to this day. Then, after midnight, the eruption changes. The towering column collapses. What comes next isn't ash, it's an avalanche of superheated gas, moving faster than a car, hotter than 300 degrees. When it reaches Pompeii at first light, it kills everyone left in a single breath, not by burial, by heat. So fast that bodies freeze mid-gesture, a mother shielding her child, a man still reaching for a door. Then silence. For 17 centuries, Pompeii simply vanishes under 20 feet of rock. When diggers finally break through, they find strange hollow pockets in the ash. They pour in plaster, and out come the dead, exactly as they fell. But here's the twist most people miss. The vast majority of Pompeii escaped in those first frantic hours. The ones we find are the ones who waited. And even the date is a mystery. Long said to be August, but fresh evidence now points to a cold morning in October. Pompeii didn't just die, it was paused, and it's still teaching us how to live. If this pulled you in, the full Sticklore story goes deeper. Subscribe and stay curious.